Imagine you've just discovered a hidden treasure trove of digital gold. You're eager to dive in, but there's a catch. You don't have a traditional bank account. Can you still join the crypto revolution without a bank? Paysafe cards have emerged as a popular alternative for online transactions, especially in regions where traditional banking isn't as accessible. But can you use a Paysafe card to buy cryptocurrency? The short answer: in most cases, yes, you can buy crypto with a Paysafe card. However, the process might vary depending on the cryptocurrency exchange you're using. Understanding Paysafe cards. Let's quickly recap what a Paysafe card is. It's a prepaid card that you can purchase at various retail outlets. Once you've loaded it with funds, you can use it to make online payments. Why use a Paysafe card for crypto? There are a few reasons why using a Paysafe card for crypto purchases can be beneficial. Privacy. Paysafe cards offer a layer of privacy compared to traditional bank accounts. Convenience. You can purchase a Paysafe card at your local store, making it accessible to a wider audience. Security. Prepaid cards can help limit your exposure to potential risks. Finding crypto exchanges that accept Paysafe. Not all crypto exchanges accept Paysafe cards. To find the ones that do, you can search online, look for articles or forums discussing crypto exchanges that accept Paysafe. Check exchange websites. Many exchanges list the payment methods they support. Ask the community, join crypto forums or communities to get recommendations. Popular exchanges accepting Paysafe. Here are a few popular crypto exchanges that often accept Paysafe cards. Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Coinbase, a user-friendly exchange for beginners. Bitpanda, a European-based exchange with a wide range of cryptocurrencies. eToro, a social trading platform that also offers crypto trading. The buying process. Once you've chosen an exchange, the buying process typically involves the following steps. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the exchange. Verify your identity. You might need to provide identification documents. Deposit funds. Choose Paysafe as your deposit method and follow the instructions. Buy cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and place your order. Fees and considerations. Keep in mind that there might be fees associated with using a Paysafe card for crypto purchases. These fees can include Paysafe card fees. Some retailers might charge a fee when you purchase a Paysafe card. Exchange fees. The exchange might charge a transaction fee or a deposit fee. Network fees. There might be network fees associated with the cryptocurrency you're purchasing. Security tips. When using a Paysafe card for crypto purchases, it's important to prioritize security. Here are a few tips. Choose a reputable exchange. Research the exchange's reputation and security measures. Protect your account. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Store your crypto securely. Use a hardware wallet or a secure cold storage solution. So, can you buy crypto with a Paysafe card? The answer is generally yes, but it depends on the exchange you're using. By understanding the process and taking necessary security precautions, you can safely and conveniently enter the world of cryptocurrency using a Paysafe card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto investing.